Good morning children. Open your new Sparkle semester series standard 2nd semester 2nd book. Page number 13. Page number 13. Yesterday we have completed activity language. Replace F in the word fight by other letter or letters. Make at least 7 new words. Now make your own sentences using any 5 new words. Write them in your notebook. Now we will see writing skill. Writing skill. Write 5 sentences on a visit to a garden. A visit to a garden in your notebook. In your notebook. So see here. A visit. Write 5 sentences on a visit to a garden in your notebook. So, a visit to a garden. It WS was Sunday. 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 Full stop. I went WNT to TO2A garden GAR done. WITH with my parents PARENTS. Full stop. I met my school. I met met my school 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 friends 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 in the garden. We played on seesaw, slides and swings. We played 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 on seesaw SEEC saw. seesaw means वजन तगड़ी जिसको बोलते हैं गार्डन में. seesaw ऊपर नीचे जाता है ना, उधर इस तरफ एक बैठता है, उस तरफ एक बैठता है, ऊपर नीचे जाता है. स्लाइड्स आणि घसरगुंडी. स्लाइड्स आणि घसरगुंडी जिसको बोलते हैं. And swings आणि झूला. SLIDES slits and swings SWINGS swings. My parents my PARENTS parents gave us sandwiches SANDWICHES sandwiches. Wafers WAFERS wafers. And ice cream ICECREAM. Full stop. Ice cream. This is a visit to a garden. We have written 5 sentences about a visit to a garden. Have you got it? Then speaking skill. Visit your school library. Visit your school library. Discuss with your friend about the books you like the most. Discuss with your friends. Visit your school library. Visit your school library. Discuss your friend about the books you like the most. Which book you liked, you discuss with your friend. Then page number 19. Activity grammar, comma in sentences. Activity grammar, comma in sentences. Read and remember. Read and remember. Rule 1. What is the rule 1? See here. Use the comma to separate 3 or more names in a sentence. What we have to do? Use the comma, not mama. This is called as comma. See here, this is called as comma. This is your full stop. This is your full stop. Then see here, use the comma to separate 3 or more names in a sentence. Aman, Minal, Jimmy, Rohan. See here. Aman, comma, Minal, comma, Jimmy, comma, Rohan and Sania are my friends. And Sania are my friends. जहाँ पे तुम्हें तीन लोगों के ऊपर अगर नाम आएगा ना तो तुम्हें कॉमा डालना है, कॉमा डालना है, कॉमा। जैसे कि यहाँ पे डाला है, यहाँ पे कॉमा डाला है, यहाँ पे कॉमा डाला है, यहाँ पे कॉमा डाला है। एंड सानिया आर माई फ्रेंड्स। सो सेकेंड रूल, यूज द कॉमा टू सेपरेट 3 or more items in a sentence. More items in a sentence. Sam likes cricket. Sam likes cricket, comma, his family and his friends. Full stop. Sam likes cricket, comma, his family and his friends. His family and his friends. Use comma to separate 3 or more items in a sentence. In a sentence. Then rule third is what? Use the comma between the date and the year. Comma where we have to use between the date and the year. See here. Minal was born on April 15, comma, year. What they ask? Between the date and the year. Between the date and the year. 15. Minal was born on April. Minal was born on April 15, 2006. Full stop. Fourth rule. Do not put a comma before and but put a comma before but when joining two complete sentences. Joining two complete sentences. My aunt is coming from Bangalore. My aunt is coming from Bangalore. Bangalore. My aunt is coming from Bangalore. And my cousin is coming from Chennai. And my cousin is coming from Chennai. So do not put a comma before and but. Put a comma before but when joining two complete sentences. When joining two complete sentences. My aunt is coming from Bangalore and my cousin is coming from Chennai. Okay, so comma in sentences, how you have to do. You'll come to know after insert commas to separate nouns. In this you will come to know where the comma is given or will be given. Where the commas will be given. Okay, see here. I saw giraffe, lion, tiger, rhino and monkeys in the zoo. Insert commas to separate nouns. I saw giraffe, lion, tiger, rhino and monkeys in the zoo. And rhino के यहाँ पे हम कॉमा नहीं डाल सकते बिकॉज एंड स्टार्ट होता है एंड monkeys in the zoo. So see here. B1. Jars, cups, saucers, plates, bowls and pots went crushing to the floor. What will be here? See here. Jars, cups, comma, saucers, comma, plates, comma, bowls and pots went crushing to the floor. Have crushing to the floor. Have you got it? Yes. There are yellow, red, blue. There are yellow, red, blue, black and green crayons in the box. Crayons in the box. There are yellow, comma put, comma, red, comma, yellow, comma, black and green crayons in the box. Have you got it? Neeta has 2 erasers. Neeta has 2 erasers, 3 pencils and a sharpener in the box. Neeta has 2 erasers. Neeta has 2 erasers, comma, 3 pencils. Neeta has 2 erasers. There you will get comma and 3 pencils and a sharpener in the box. Then August 15. August 15. 15 here you will be getting comma. 1947 is a special day. Gandhiji was born on 2nd. Gandhiji was born on 2nd only comma 1869. I bought a pink dress, matching shoes and a red umbrella. I bought a big dress. Big dress here. Big dress. I bought a big dress, comma, matching shoes and red umbrella. In this way you have to write. Have you understood? Have you got it how to do? Then first one, insert commas to separate nouns. Insert commas to separate noun. Second one is correct the sentences which have the comma in the right place. Correct the sentences which have the comma in the right place. See here. A1 is my mother was born on February 28. Comma is there or no? Is comma there? That is right one. Comma is there. Then Tina, Rita, comma, Manoj and Anu are friends. Is it correct or no? See, comma is there. So this is also correct. And see here. Keep the red ball. The brown bat. And के साइड में comma नहीं आएगा बताया था ना. तो this is not a correct one. Now page number 20 open children. Challenge. Write the date of birth using a comma. I was born on, तुम्हें लिखना है. My mother was born on, comma, जहाँ पे डाल के तुम्हें करना है. My father was born on. I was born on, जो तुम्हारा डेट है लिखकर डैश लिखकर तुम्हें ईयर लिखना है. माई मदर वॉज बॉर्न ऑन, मदर का डेट लिखकर कॉमा लिख के लिखना है. माई फादर वॉज बॉर्न ऑन, बर्थ डेट लिखकर ईयर, बर्थ डेट लिखकर कॉमा डालकर उनका ईयर डालना है. दिस वॉट यू हैव टू राइट द डेट ऑफ बर्थ यूजिंग अ कॉमा. दिस यू डू योर सेल्फ. देन सेकेंड वन challenge. First one is over. Second one, use the comma and write names of at least 5 things. Use the comma and write names of at least 5 things. I have books. books. See here, I have written books, comma, pencils, comma, eraser, comma, ruler and a sharpener in my school bag. In my school bag. So, see here, I have books, BOOKS, comma, pencils, 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 comma, erasers, ERASERS, comma, ruler, 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 and a sharpener, SHARP, sharpener, SHARPENER, sharpener in my school bag. Then observe the pictures, write the names of things you observe, use the comma. I can see this is what is this? This is the table, and on the top of the table what is there? What you can see? You can write with the help of the comma. That is, I can see book, comma, a pencil, comma, a pen, comma, and flower vase. You can write pencil also first or second, nothing. But it should, whatever you have seen, you write here. I can see book, comma, okay, a pen, comma, a pencil and flower vase on the table. See here, I can see book, BOOK, comma, a pen, A-P-E-N, pen, a pencil, PENCIL, and flower vase, FLOWER, flower, VASE, vase on the table. Now I can see here, this is a fruit basket. What you can see, you should write here. See, I can see a bunch of grapes, a pineapple, a pear, a bunch of bananas, and a papaya in the basket. Okay, take down. I can see a bunch, 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 OF of grapes, 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 comma, a pineapple, pine, PINE, pineapple, APPLE, pineapple is one word. Give dash, space is not there, so I have written here. Pineapple, comma, a pear, 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 comma, a bunch, 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 OF of banana, 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 and A, papaya, PAPYA, papaya. Then you write in the basket. This way you have to complete. In this way you have to write all the things correctly. Have you got it? Okay, we will meet in the... So, whatever I have taught today now for you, from page number 18 to 20. Page number 18 to 20, you have to read and write for 2 times and learn by hand. Okay children, we will meet in the next video. Thank you.